guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how to make a very easy, quick and simple recipe. We are going to be making some Guyanese cheese sandwiches. This is a very popular party snack, and to get started, here I have some white bread, I have 1 stick of butter, I have some cheddar cheese and some Colby and Jack. I also will be using some mayonnaise, some mustard, and I have a little bit of pepper sauce. So first you want to grate your cheese. And guys, please do not use the pre-grated cheese in the package. It will not work as well. You need to actually buy the block cheese and grate it. That will give you the best results. And then we will start adding in our butter, our pepper sauce. We will add our mayonnaise and the mustard, and we will mix until well combined. Now I will be using my hand mixer for this step, but you can use whatever you like. You could use a fork, a stand mixer. It's your choice. So now that we have our cheese mixture well combined, what we'll do next is separate the cheese mixture into two separate bowls. We will add a little bit, into the two bowls, which will give us three separate cheese mixtures. And what we'll do next is color them. We'll use some food coloring and we'll color, them in yellow, red and green, but the red will be pink actually, because we want very light colors here, because for this recipe you don't want to make the colors dark and gloomy. You want them nice and light, and that way they'll look very nice and appetizing. And in my opinion, the lighter colors are best. So we want to make this yellow pop, because as you can see by we use the hand mixer, the color got a little light. So we want to make it pop by adding a splash of yellow to it. And then we will add some green to the other bowl and some red to the other bowl. The red will give us pink because we'll add a very little and we want it to look light. So that's what we'll do. Make sure that we mix them well, and we'll move on to the next step. And once we have all three of our mixtures colored and they're looking very pretty, we can now move on to the next step. Next, we'll go ahead and cut the four edges off of the bread. We'll do this to the entire loaf, and then we'll move on to the next step. Next, we'll go ahead and butter our bread with the cheese spread. And we will use 3 slices of bread because we want to add 2 different colors. But you can also use 2 slices of bread and just add 1 color. Or you can use 4 slices of bread and add all 3 colors, which I will be doing later on. But first, I'll show you guys the 3 slices of bread. And we will continue with this process using the different colors, switching them up. Just do whatever you like or what you prefer. And then we'll slice it down the middle. And that's it. Super simple and easy. And it's very, very delicious. Okay, guys, so this is my take on the perfect Guyanese cheese spread sandwich. It's perfect for party events, or if you want to pack it in your kids' lunch bags, you can do that too. I do hope you guys enjoy the recipe. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below. And don't forget, guys, hit the subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all the ingredients and measurements down in my description box. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Enjoy!